So this is the winter storm here, 2022. We got some hardcore blowing snow starting to slowly come down. This is about an hour after it started. Come down here. It's really slushy right now. I'm just hoping this isn't as bad as the storm exactly 1 year ago. Just think yesterday was like 72 degrees. All right, so it's February 2nd. It's about 18 degrees. And these are what the current roads look like here in downtown Oklahoma City. It's very quiet out here. So there is supposed to be another round of snow coming in tomorrow on February 3rd. And they were talking about in the news how the interstates here are full of flipped over cars, plow trucks are flipping over, and the roads are literally a living hell right now. And it is coming down as we speak. So I will post an update video tomorrow.